All right, guys. So you can see a subscriber of mine asked me, how do I get to track my emails? And in this video, I want to share with you some of the free tools that can be used to track your emails. And like here, you can see on my screen that I have a software that is capable, all right, of helping me track my emails. And you can see absolutely for free. I've not spent a penny on those two. And every single day, I have a full report, okay, of how my emails are performing and also if they have been read or maybe they have not been. So this tool is capable of showing me all the details that I need. So into this video, I'm going to reveal it to you 2 to 3 of the softwares that you can try out for free, all right, to start tracking your emails. And this would help you do so far if you're a constant you're constantly sending emails just like me. Every single day I send hundreds of emails, and of course I need a tool that will be helping me track how those emails are performing. So in this video, I've compiled 3 of the softwares that I'll give to you for free. You can install them into your computer, all right, and you can start tracking every of your email campaigns. But right before we jump into that quickly, I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsors, PRBoost.io. Alright guys, so huge shout out to PRBoost for sponsoring this video. If you've ever wanted to get the Asinon badge for your business, just like the big brands, PRBoost makes it happen. They get you featured on over 200 major news websites, helping you rank higher on Google, build instant trust and attract more customers, all without breaking the bank. And with the Business Pro package, you'll land on top tier site, giving your brand massive exposure. So if you're serious about boosting your credibility, check out PRBoost.io today. All right, so let's jump back into the video. All right, thank you so much, PRBoost, for sponsoring this video. All right, guys, so the first tool I would like to share with you is known as Boomerang for Gmail. All right, so this is an email tracking software for Gmail, which can help you see your read receipts and cake tracking. All right, so this tool is just one of the best one out there that can help you start tracking your emails. So you're going to be getting a full report of how your emails are performing. Now, if you want to get access to Boomerang for Gmail, it's easy because this tool actually works as an extension directly on your Gmail account. Now click on install Boomerang from here right here, and of course it should take us to the web store where we can install this into our Chrome browser. You can see how very easy and how very simple it is for you to use Boomerang. Now over 90,000 people are making use of this tool, and to me 900,000 guys, 900,000 are making use of this tool. And trust me, this is one of the best tool out there, can help you start tracking your emails. But me myself, I don't make use of it, but I have people who make use of this, and this is actually performing fine for them. Now let's take a look at some of their pricing plans here, and let's see how much you get spent on those two. Right here, guys, you can see how much. I think the highest plan they have here is just for $50, which is going to be billed annually. All right, you can see here $50 billed annually, and you are going to be having unlimited tracking. I mean, unlimited tracking. They also have a free plan which would allow you to track just 10 emails every single month. That is why I don't make use of Boomerang, all right, because the free plan actually gives you a limited access to tracking your emails. And trust me, for me that sends thousands of emails every single day, I need a free software that can help me manage as many emails as possible. And trust me, I have found it and I make use of it, and I will also expose you to the software right in a bit. Now let's talk about some other tool apart from Boomerang. Now we also have this one called Mail Tracker. All right, I started off with Mail Tracker when I was starting my email campaigns directly from my Gmail account, and Mail Tracker has actually been one of the best tools out there for me. And now the downside to this as well is just the pricing plan, okay, which would give you just 20 track per month. You can see the free plan here gives you just 20 track emails per month. This is too small compared to what I do. To some of you, it might be just the perfect tool for you, but for me it is way too small. So all of these tools basically do the same thing. Remember, I told you guys, do the same thing. They help you track your emails, they help you check out your read receipts, how the emails are performing and all like that. But the problem with many of those tools is just our pricing plan. Some of them don't offer free things, and even if they do, you are very limited All right, now let's take a look at one of the one I make use of. All right, and I will highly recommend to everyone out there who wants to start tracking their emails, and it is known as MailSuit. I so much love this application or software or whatever thing you want to call it. Right, this is one of my best email tracker for my Gmail account. Like I said earlier, guys, I send thousands of emails almost every single day, and getting a full report of how those emails are performing is what MailSuit gives to me, and absolutely for free. Yes, you don't have to pay a penny. Nothing should be paid. You're going to be having access to unlimited. Let me show it to you guys. So instead of me just talking, look at it here. The free plan here gives you unlimited tracking. I mean, unlimited tracking. So thousands of emails every single day. You're going to be getting a full report to see if your emails has been sent, if your emails has been opened, if somebody is replying your email soon, and all like that. You can see how very, very amazing those two is. So if I've been able to answer your question, all right, to my subscriber who asked which of the two I use, this is a MailSuit. But instead of me just giving you only MailSuits, I also included other tools that you can try out and see if they would work for you. And if they do, I believe this video has helped you a lot. So if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below that you found this video helpful and this is the particular tool you might want to try using. For me, guys, I tell you, make use of MailSuit because it's just so amazing. The free plans actually gives you unlimited tracking, and even with the advanced plan, just $10 per month. I mean, it is way too cheap. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much PRBoost for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.